more pattern changes. Here's a very simple from vertical to flat pattern change that works for any level of twirler. You're catching a trick, coming around, do a whip, pull it, and there you have it. It's flat. You don't have to stand there as long as I did. You're coming around and pull, bam, and you're out of there. Right into your horizontals. Very simple. It's not considered a break. It's a clean pattern change. Here's another one. You can do that same concept, but catch it somewhere. Coming around, up, and down. Oop, I went back to vertical. But anyway, I could have gone to flat, and it looks great. All right, I'll have more for you later.